Welcome back, Alice. Today, let's explore deep learning algorithms. These are inspired by how the human brain works, using layers of artificial neurons.
That sounds exciting. But what's the difference between deep learning algorithms and machine learning algorithms?
Great question. Machine learning algorithms, like decision trees or support vector machines, rely on manual feature extraction. You tell them what to look for.
And deep learning?
Deep learning does the heavy lifting. With models like CNNs or RNNs, it learns features and patterns directly from raw data, layer by layer.
So it's better for tasks like image recognition or language translation.
Exactly. Deep learning shines with large data and complex patterns, but needs more computing power.
Wow, I'm starting to see the layers now. Pun intended.
Well said, Alice. Let's dive deeper in our next session.